Famous pianists from around the world have joined in the applause for a great piano and great piano company, now appearing on the world stage. Pearl River Piano from Guangzhou, China. That the Pearl River Piano, a relative newcomer to the piano world, should be recognized by world-class pianists is inspiring, but not so surprising. Let's look back and consider how the Pearl River Piano Group has achieved such an outstanding reputation and earned international respect in just 50 short years. The history of the piano dates back about 300 years. The earliest pianos were produced in Europe, but not exported to Asia until the 19th century. The Pearl River brand was created in the mid-1950s as an independent Chinese musical instrument company. It was named for its first and present-day factory location on the banks of the Pearl River in southern China. The Pearl River Piano Group Limited began as a small business producing just 4 vertical pianos a month. The Pearl River story is one of hard work, faith, innovation, and commitment. 2 generations of skilled, dedicated workers have built a name for excellence and a market for pianos that includes over 100 countries. Today, Pearl River is not only China's best-known domestic brand, but also the best-selling piano in the world. Its sales account for 28% of the Chinese market, 18% of the American market, and 15% of the European market. The Pearl River factory encompasses 1.3 million square feet. The main building stands 7 stories tall, is a quarter-mile long, and has the capacity to build over 100,000 pianos a year. The words Pearl River Piano, made in China, signifies a great name proudly produced by the people of the Pearl River Piano Group. Despite strong rivals, Pearl River has risen to the top of the Chinese national piano industry. The company employs more than 3,500 skilled technicians within a network of factories, foundries, lumber yards, and sawmills. The 90,000 square foot testing and engineering labs have 106 technicians, and many have advanced degrees in areas such as adhesives, metallurgy, and chemistry. Scientific production technique and innovation are the key to state-of-the-art productivity at Pearl River. From early on, Pearl River has included great piano designers and technicians from around the world in pursuit of product excellence. An Engineering Technique Research Development Center was established to specifically lead the domestic Chinese musical industry. Their goal is to expedite new technique applications and new product development. Their work concentrates on innovating a series of core techniques that can be patented by Pearl River. This research has resulted in Pearl River taking the lead in redesigning traditional musical instrument production. The Pearl River Piano Group has already created several advanced science, technology, and craft applications for which they own the patents. The craftsmanship, quality, tone effect, and play function of Pearl River pianos have achieved European middle piano level ratings by domestic and international experts. Simultaneously, the Pearl River Piano Group has revolutionized traditional piano manufacturing using digital technology. Applying state-of-the-art technology to design speeds up the design cycle and greatly increases precision, the result being that innovations are quickly converted into increased productivity. In 2009, Pearl River is focused on a brand strategy that promotes science and technology. Pearl River's new chairman Weilin Huang has appointed Lothar Thoma, an internationally respected master piano designer, to head the team redeveloping the Rittmuller line to compete in the upscale segment in the United States. Rittmuller is actually a German brand which dates from 1795. Mr. Thoma is charged with translating the traditional German tuning, voicing, and regulation through modern technology. Features of the new line include a solid maple-capped vertically laminated bridge, pin blocks cross-laminated of hard rock maple, tuning pins, chrome-plated steel with cut thread, German Resslau strings and hand-wound bass strings, Louis Renner premium hammers from Germany, ebony wood for sharps, and natural materials for a more inviting feel and easier control. Like all pianos manufactured by PearL River, Rittmuller pianos are constructed with woods that have been carefully processed, dehumidified, and cured for all environments. And each Rittmuller soundboard is produced from flexible, high-quality spruce to ensure consistent tone stability. A quality piano begins with the lumber from which it is formed. Pianos are approximately 60% lumber. Both a slight difference in type and moisture content are critical to the final overall quality of the piano. In other words, the selection and curing of the wood plays a significant role in the quality and lifespan of every piano. The PearL River Piano Group owns one of the world's largest state-of-the-art lumber yards with 16 computer-controlled kilns. Strict processing standards allow PearL River to guarantee quality and adaptability to weather environments worldwide. The back assembly, the core of the piano, is both the source of sound and the structural framework of the piano. All the back assemblies are produced by advanced CNC special equipment, fundamentally ensuring the accuracy of scale, down-bearing of bridge and bridge pin position, contributing to the desired crown of the soundboard. The volume and tone of the piano depend on the quality of the soundboard. For that reason, PearL River produces each soundboard from selected fine spruce with elastic structure, tight and evenly spaced growth rings. In processing and curing, the level of humidity is strictly controlled to ensure stable and consistent tone. The action and the keyboard are the heart of the piano. They are composed of thousands of precision components. Each part incorporates state-of-the-art processing technology and is manufactured according to strict regulations to promote exact coordination with the sensitive response of the action. Even the weight of each key is independently adjusted so that the downward force of the key is even and uniform and the touch is comfortable and natural. Because PearL River pianos are sold worldwide, the challenge is to build a piano that will adapt to the varied environments these instruments will be performing in. 2 unique production procedures have been developed and perfected in the factory to assure that PearL River pianos meet this challenge. An automatic piano playing device has been developed to subject each piano to a measured period of intense playing to prove and settle all the mechanical parts and the tuning elements. All pianos are played in using this machinery, after which they are again tuned and the action is regulated. The pianos are then placed in a conditioning room. This area has an artificial environment which subjects the instruments to warm, dry conditions, preparing them for the types of climates to which they will be eventually shipped and sold. This conditioning affects the tuning and regulation, so again the instruments must finally be adjusted and tuned before being vacuum sealed and boxed. Units have desiccant, a drying agent, packed inside the boxes to ensure the stability of the instrument when it reaches its ultimate destination. Credibility first and customers foremost is the credo of the PearL River Piano Group. A strong dedication to customer satisfaction has established PearL River as both a domestic and international sales leader. The overall objective is high-quality service for dealers combined with strong after-sales service and dedicated customer service support. PearL River believes in giving customers a trustworthy product that is a joy to use. The combined strengths of providing total satisfaction, a good reputation, and a high degree of customer loyalty have increased business in all markets over the last 10 years. PearL River is both an honored domestic brand and an international bestseller. Making the best piano in the world and becoming the world's most successful musical instrument enterprise is the total commitment from the people of the PearL River Group. 1997. The PearL River Piano Group obtained the ISO 9001 certificate from the Chinese and International Certification Organization. 1999. The PearL River Piano Group obtained the first famous trademark in the Chinese musical instrument industry. 2001. The PearL River Piano Group ranked first in world piano sales. 2002. The PearL River Piano Group becomes one of the 16 Chinese corporations worthy of world-famous brands status. 2003. the Pearl River Piano Group receives the Chinese famous brand product. 2004, the Pearl River Piano Group honored as National Enterprise of Outstanding Quality Management. 2006, January, the Pearl River Piano Group receives the Milestone Award, distributed for the first time in its 104-year history by the International Music Product Association to a non-U.S. musical instrument enterprise. 2006, March, the Pearl River Piano Group becomes the first Chinese piano manufacturer to produce over 1 million units. 2007, April, the Pearl River Piano Group obtains the ISO 4001 Certificate of Environmental Management Systems. 2007, June, the Pearl River Piano Group recognized as a new high-tech enterprise.